What's up, friends? This is your friend, Dr. Radionics. Today, we're going to process an esoteric analysis using the mantra. This machine has the ability to work with analyses related to energy, prosperity, abundance, energetic flow, personal success, and even situations connected to negative energies or energetic blockages. So, this type of analysis allows us to see how a person is doing energetically and detect possible imbalances. The idea right now is to perform an energetic diagnosis for a patient named Dasha Omega. We simply create a new diagnosis, select the patient Dasha Omega, and name it Energetics Test. Once this is done, we press Diagnosis, and automatically we enter the area where we can work with all the energetic codes. Now we're going to select the corresponding codes. In this case, the codes we're going to use are inside the esoteric category. Here we have different frequencies and codes related to prosperity, harmonization, energetic cleansing, magnetism, abundance, and different energetic aspects. The intention of this analysis is to detect which areas are positive, which are negative, and which frequencies require harmonization. For example, here we have business cleansing. This code helps us check if there is negative energetic saturation around the business or if it needs some type of energetic cleansing. Now we're also going to select business harmonization. With this, we can analyze whether the business requires energetic balance or if there are blockages affecting its operation. Something interesting is that this type of analysis can even be done using photographs of the business, although in this case, we are working directly with Dasha's energy, since she is the one leading the project and many of these energies are centered around her. We continue adding more codes. Once all the codes are selected, we begin the analysis. And this is where the system starts showing the results. For example, we can see that some areas appear very negative and far from the center, which indicates energetic imbalance. Here we can observe that the harmonization of the business definitely needs energetic work. The area related to resolving the financial situation also appears heavily affected. And here we have something interesting. The loss of energy due to third-party influence appears in negative. What this actually tells us is that this frequency does not exist in her. In other words, there is no evidence of energetic drain caused by other people, so we can remove that frequency from the analysis because it is not really affecting Dasha. So we simply delete it and continue working with the remaining frequencies. Now, something that does appear very strongly is the area related to large profits and unblocking money flow. This indicates that there is probably a lot of effort and work being put in, but the financial flow is still not arriving correctly. So those frequencies definitely need harmonization and energetic strengthening. Once the analysis is completed, now we're going to transfer all this information to an SS card. As you can see, I insert the card into the machine. Now we simply save the information and the system begins transferring all the energetic frequencies to the card. And that's it. The card is now completely programmed. Now Dasha will be able to carry this card and receive the energetic treatment related to all the codes we just analyzed and balanced. After that, we're also going to save the file inside the system to keep all the information stored. We save the file under the name Dasha and the analysis name Energetics Test. And finally, we're going to convert all of this into a remedy within the system. We once again use the name Dasha, and automatically it gets stored inside the remedies section. From this point on, we can use this work for broadcasting, creating drops, generating more cards, or continuing different energetic treatments related to this patient. And as you can see, everything stays perfectly saved inside the system for future work. And honestly, I like making these types of videos while recording the screen and the machine at the same time because I feel like it makes the system look more realistic while it's working. The truth is, this software is impressive. It has a lot of tools and allows you to work with very complete energetic analyses in a very practical and organized way. So, alright friends, that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video and for continuing to learn about the mantra system.